Hello everyone. Today we will be solving few questions on all the topics we have covered so far, such as input output operators, ASCII value, and characters plus string. Now let's see the questions. Now first question goes like this. Declare two decimal variables a and b exceeding precision of 9 decimal places. Initialize b equals 4.5. Declare another variable named ch with character data type. Now let's go with these questions one by one. So we want to have a decimal variable which has a precision of 9 or greater than 9. So what we can do, we can use double. Instead of using float, we will use the double. Let me first write and then teach you what it means. Initialize b equals 4.5. We have done both the stuff in one line, but I believe we should not, because for the sake of the question we will be doing it according line by line, according to each line. Double a comma b, we have declared a variable, both the variables. Now we have to initialize a variable b equals 4.5. Now declare another variable ch with character data type and assign it with character of your choice. I'll choose s because that is the initial letter in my name. I have chosen capital S because that's just what I need. Take input of a from console. Let a equals to 10 in the console. So here we'll write 10 in the input console, and we have to take input for a. After taking input for a, what we'll be doing is we'll be printing out the value for a plus b of a plus b. And we'll be ending the line as well. Print the output of a by b plus ch. Okay. In programming, mathematical arithmetic operators work just as in math. But this is important, I believe. Most of the time, sometimes compiler doesn't catch this. In few compilers, you'll get error if you don't use brackets over here for direct calculation. Anyways, let's move on. Let's move to the next question. Print the output as 1 if a is greater than b, otherwise print 0, false, without using conditional statements. If else. Okay, so we are asked not to use conditional statements. Remember that conditional operators and statements both are two different things. Now you have to output 1 if a is greater than b. So we'll just use our conditional operator a greater than b end line. Yeah, so next question. Declare a variable true value equals true, false value equals false, and choose the data type logically such that it tags along with the next point. Next question I should have written. Anyways, final, calculate this yourself first. Use a calculator and then cross check by printing the value in console for ch by a plus b minus a greater than b and false value or true value. Okay, so we actually have to solve the seventh question ourselves. Basically 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Yeah, seventh question we have to solve this ourselves without using console, or you can say without using code. But till 6th we are good to go. So let's quickly define what true value and false value are. So now, we just have to print the output. Well, let me first quickly tell you what output will be. A plus b, obviously it will be 14.5. For a by b plus ch, it should be, I believe, s is hot. Oh, pqrs. Okay, so s may be 81, I believe. I believe I forgot one question. Print the ASCII value of ch. So there are two ways to print the ASCII value of ch. First is, you can either, let me just first write and then tell you. So here I have defined ASCII values equals ch. Either you can do it like this, or you can actually do it like int ch. Both will give the same output, 81. So yes, let's run this and see what the output will be. Okay, so 10 is actually greater than 4.5, so the answer was true, which is 1. So a by b plus ch equals 85.2222, whatever it is, and both values are 83 and 83. For a plus b we have 14.5, and for true val equals true and false val equals to false. Calculate this yourself first. You can use the calculator and then cross check by printing the value on console for ch by a plus b. So I'll be just writing what the output will be. 81 by a plus b is basically 14.5, and minus a greater than b was actually 1, and we can just false value. So what I want to tell you here is each bracket means a lot. Suppose you change this bracket, you remove this bracket from here, so first and will be calculated, then for or will be calculated, which might give you some other answer, or which will give you some other answer, maybe for 1 and 1. No, actually the answer will be same, but yeah, it can change depending on the question. So brackets do matter in C++, just like in maths. So 1 and false val, which is 0, or which will be equal to 81 by 14 5 plus minus. So whatever this comes, that will be the output. 81 by 14.5 minus 1. Let me quickly check it on my phone. 81 divided by 14.5 minus 1. I'm getting 4.586206896. So let's just quickly write. You can use control forward slash more in most of the compile code editors to comment out anything. You can actually go with this and then use control slash to comment this line. Anyways, the output is 4.586. Let's check whether it is correct or not. So yes, chy plus b. Let me just quickly check whether all the brackets are correct or not. Okay, so the brackets are actually wrong. There should be 3 brackets. You can always check the brackets by open 2 open brackets, 3 open brackets, 2 close brackets means 1 open bracket is still there. Now 3 open brackets, now 2 open brackets, now 3 open brackets, and then 3 close brackets. So this is a way to check open and close brackets. And actually in coding, or you can say in competitive programming, we do it like this. Now let's quickly check. Okay, so the output is 4.7 to 414. I don't know why. Maybe I did something wrong. CH by A plus B. I was actually getting 4.586, but this is 4.7 to 414. So what can I say? A greater than B. Actually, this part doesn't matter much because this is definitely what I think it is. Okay, so it was 83, not 81. I'm so sorry for that. 83 divided by, yeah, I'm getting now 4.7 to 4137931. Yeah, so it's actually put the set precision to 10 so that we can actually check. Actually, is it like this or? Let me just quickly check how do we check the precision. Okay, so there's no underscore. Mhm. For some reason, we are just getting up to 5 decimal places. Okay, so we have to use set precision before this. I'm so sorry. Yeah, so finally the output is matching exactly what we needed. I believe that's it for today. Thank you, everyone. The next question will be uploaded tomorrow and it will be much better than this one. Thanks, everyone. Goodbye. Have a great day.